Thank you for joining us on Buzz on the Bluffs. We're backstage at the Strand for the marvelous Wonderettes. Hello, ladies. Y'all getting ready for the prom?
Oh, yeah.
Well, I came to see the show last night, and I have to tell y'all, I was blown away. I've seen shows in London and in New York, and y'all were definitely superior to that.
Thank you.
Y'all were great. So tell me a little bit about the plot of the show.
So in this show, you have 4 best friends who were asked to sing for their prom, which is like the pinnacle, dream for any high school woman in the 50s. And you just kind of see their lives sort of unfold, unfortunately, in front of you at times. So we're trying to entertain everybody, but at the same time, all of our little cattiness and our problems come out through the songs that we sing, and things are revealed, and friendships are broken and then mended, and it's just a good old time.
And it's all 50s and 60s music.
Yes, ma'am.
So the first act is at the prom.
Yes.
And then the second act is actually the 10-year classroom reunion.
Yes, in 1968.
Yes.
They've all come back after not having much contact, but they got to come back and do the exact same thing and try to recreate this magic and this friendship and try to make it cohesive and friendly,
Yes.
and it is pretty much all but.
Well, it's funny,
Yeah.
and the music is just spectacular. And Tessie, you're kind of the rebel of the group. Why were we not surprised by that?
Me, a rebel? Never.
Well, y'all did a great job, and
Thank you so much.
we hope everybody in Vicksburg will come out and see this program. It's Friday, Saturday at 7:30, and Sunday at 2. And this is one you don't want to miss.